Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what is a buy spread on Robinhood. So this video is going to be useful for individuals who are currently using Robinhood. So essentially what a spread is that it's basically the difference between two similar measurements. So think stock prices, yields, or interest rates. So the example I can give you is that let's say that you have a bid and you want to buy for $10 per share. Now the ask is basically selling for $10.25 per share. So basically the spread is the ask minus the bid. And so you're going to have a 25-cent spread. So with that being said, this is basically going to be useful, but keep in mind that spread has different meanings. And spreads can vary depending on what you're trading. So, like I mentioned before, when you have that thing called a bid or ask spread, that is going to be useful when it comes to going ahead and trading stocks. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what is a buy spread on Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.